Hi guys, this is Peace Adeza. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to grill chicken drumstick. Stay tuned and watch how I grill this moist, juicy and finger-licking chicken drumstick. Let's get started. First thing first, the first thing I do is to clean the chicken drumstick. Sometimes when you buy chicken from the supermarket or wherever you buy your chicken from, you will notice that there are still feathers and some other unwanted things. So I take off those things so that I can enjoy my chicken without feathers. Just take a look at that. Take a look at that chicken before and after cleaning. For the ingredients, you need chicken drumstick, thyme, curry powder, nutmeg, paprika, roast chicken seasoning, onion, garlic, ginger, scotch bonnet, chicken seasoning cube, salt and vegetable oil. Cleaning the chicken, blend the onion, garlic, ginger, and scotch bonnet. This is the chicken after cleaning. Have you seen how clean it is? Unlike before. Guys, look at that. These are the unwanted things. I don't need them, so get rid of them. Or do they have nutritional value? Do let me know in the comment section if they do. This is soft chicken drumstick, so I'm going to cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. Put in a pot, add nutmeg, curry powder, thyme, chicken seasoning cube, salt to taste. Add the blended mixture. Stir with your spatula and make sure it's properly mixed. This is soft chicken drumstick, so I'm going to cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. This is because I don't want it too soft, and I'm going to put in the oven to finish up the cooking. After about 10 to 12 minutes, turn off the cooker and bring the chicken out from the stove. This stock can be used to cook or make other things like stew, rice, yam, or any other thing. So do not waste the stock. Store it in your fridge. Pour some vegetable oil in a plate. Add roast chicken seasoning. Add paprika and mix it. the chicken drumstick into the mixture. Let it stay for a while in the mixture. Flip over to the other side. Make sure the chicken drumstick is coated with the mixture. Repeat the process till all the chicken drumsticks are coated. Preheat the oven, then pop the oven tray into the oven and grill. And the chicken drumstick is ready. This is my moist, juicy, finger-licking chicken drumstick. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Leave your questions in the comment section and I'll answer the questions. I'll see you again in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.